Hi, my name is BJ Mayer. My full name is actually Bradley James Mayer, but I've gone by BJ since I can remember. I currently teach junior high math at Northwest Junior High in Iowa City, Iowa. I am also the head girls basketball coach at Iowa City West High School. I have also had coaching and teaching stops at Buffalo Center, Iowa, and Spirit Lake, Iowa. This will be my 27th year teaching and coaching. My wife Laura and I live in North Liberty with our two boys, Luke, who is a junior in high school, and Braden, who is also a freshman, and our two dogs, our Chocolate Lab Maverick and our Black Lab Macy. The boys and the dogs keep us both on our toes and on the move often with their activities and the dogs' need for exercise. My wife is also in education, and just yesterday, Wednesday, accepted an assistant principal position in our online learning program only 5 days before school starts. She is both excited and nervous, but I know she will do a great job. I received my bachelor's degree from the University of Northern Iowa in elementary education and a minor in mathematics. I began my teaching career in the elementary, teaching 2nd, 3rd, and 4th grades prior to becoming a junior high math teacher. In 2017, I completed my master's degree from Concordia University in Irvine, California, in athletic administration and coaching. One of my dream jobs is to become an activities director at Iowa City West, where I currently coach. However, our district requires the activities director also hold an administration license as well, and therefore I am working on my ed specialist in leadership to accomplish this. One of my big beliefs is that relationships and building relationships is very important skill to have as a teacher, coach, and administrator. It is something that I try to model for our players, students, and coworkers. As for leadership in special education, I'm trying to learn more about this during this class. I've had students in my classes and teams in special education, and I've done my best to advocate for them and support them. But this is an area that I know I must learn more about. I look forward to learning from you and with you in this class. Have a great day. Take care.